Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel annoyed because every time you type on the keyboard there's a sound, don't need to be worried guys, because you can turn off the sound on your touch keyboard easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can show your own keyboard like this, and then there will be a sound every single time you tap the touch of keyboard. And to turn it off, now you can go to settings menu and then scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and then here's now you can go to system sound, and then here's now you can turn off the Samsung keyboard sounds. And so yeah, your keyboard will not sounding anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.